In this video, I will cover the variable length. It consists of an inner wall, sliding female coupling, retaining band, locking band, insulation band, split outer casing, hardware, which you'll find inside the pipe, and an assembly band. Your first step is to measure the gap between your two sections. You're going to measure from flange to flange, in our case 35 inches. You're going to take that plus an inch to cut your inner wall down. You're going to measure from the male flange down, mark your pipe, and cut it at 36 inches. You're going to use the 35 inches to cut down your outer wall. You're going to measure from the crimped end, the 35 inches plus 5/8. Go ahead and cut that down. You're also going to want to use that 35-inch measurement to cut your insulation band down. After everything's cut to length, go ahead and reference our standard joint assembly video or our installation instructions. After that's complete, you're ready to insert the internal assembly. After the internal assembly is set, you're going to slide the female coupler to meet the male coupler of the lower section. Once that's set, you're going to use S2000 sealant to seal between the flange and the inner wall all the way around. Then you're going to move the retaining band into place. You're going to want the flange of that to match the flange of the female coupler. Once they're mating, you're going to tighten the screw down with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Once it's tightened down, you're going to move your locking band over the 2 flanges and lock that in place. You're going to use the number 2 screwdriver again to tighten the hardware. The next step is to install your insulation bands. Go ahead and wrap that around the inner wall. Try to get it into place best you can. Make sure the entire inner wall is covered with insulation. Now that it's in place, install your outer wall. You're going to start by adding the crimped end first. Get it in place. Move to the second half and repeat. And then the second part of the outer wall gets installed. Insert the crimped end first. Capture all the insulation. After it's in, add your hardware to hold it in place. Now that the outer wall is secured in place, we're going to place the assembly band at the joint. You'll use a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to fasten the hardware. After that's complete, repeat the process on the other end.